Have you ever wondered how an augmented reality game can place a character in your living room, or how a self-driving car understands pedestrians on the street? The secret is 3D reconstruction, and today on Summarized Science, we're looking at a huge leap forward in this technology called Human 3D. Its goal is to take a simple video feed and create a full 3D reconstruction of the people and the scene, all at once. Recreating a 3D scene with multiple moving people from a single video is incredibly difficult. Previous methods were very complex, often relying on many separate programs that had to work together in a slow, multi-stage process. They also had heavy dependencies on pre-processing tools for things like human detection and depth estimation. Human 3D seeks to solve this with a unified, one-stop solution. This diagram illustrates the old way versus the new way. Before, you had a messy pipeline of different models for detection, tracking, and pose estimation before you could even get a result. Human 3D simplifies this entire workflow into a single, elegant model. The key innovation is its all-at-once approach, which enables it to reason about people, the scene, and the camera's movement all together. It uses clever techniques like human prompts, using the location of a person's head to efficiently query the model for the reconstruction of their entire body. Because it does everything in one go, it's incredibly fast and efficient. It can run in real time at 15 frames per second with a low memory footprint, all on a single GPU. Amazingly, the researchers achieved this state-of-the-art performance after training the model for just one day. The results speak for themselves. Across a wide range of tasks, from camera pose estimation to video depth estimation, Human 3D delivers performance that is either competitive with or superior to specialized models. This is remarkable for a single model that does everything at once. The researchers also found that teaching the AI to understand humans actually made it better at reconstructing the surrounding scene, showing that these two tasks are mutually beneficial. When compared to a simple combination of previous top-performing models, Human 3D is substantially better. It produces more coherent 3D humans and a more accurate reconstruction of their global motion within the scene. It truly takes the best of both worlds, detailed human models and accurate scene awareness, and combines them into one powerful package. So, let's recap the important points. Human 3D is a single, fast, and efficient AI model that reconstructs an entire 3D scene, including multiple moving people, from a simple video. Its unified, all-at-once approach eliminates the need for complex and slow pipelines. This technology could be fundamental for the next generation of AR and VR, allowing digital content to interact with our world seamlessly. It could also revolutionize robotics and autonomous navigation, creating smarter machines that can better understand and interact with human-centric environments.